Welcome. For those of you who have been here, welcome back. This is Larry DeBose at DeBoseWoodworking.com. You're in the third part and the final part of a three-part series on making a better bed. We're going to wrap this one up. Before I jump into the build, you're going to notice a little bit of change in the background. There's another video that's coming out showing the process here. Decided I couldn't live in denial anymore. I needed to get my shop updated. Needed to increase the efficiency. So you're going to find going from bottom to top of the wall, I've installed what are known as French cleats. These allow me to move the storage around. I decided I'd take advantage of a lot of different wood species that I have in my shop. So I have at least 10 different species that I've used as I've put that together. You're also going to notice that I customized the doors there. If you want to see, again, that video, you can see the link in the description. I'll make sure you guys are able to get there. Door itself, this one is going to be covering up the window. It wasn't a good spot to have my miter saw, which can have kickback, throw something back towards the window. Wanted to make sure that I had something protecting that and able to just show off some different techniques I'm able to do in the shop. This one is going to be walnut inlaid into hard maple. The path is going to be made up of cherry inlaid into the hard maple, and then the trees are what's known as a tiger maple. I oriented the grain horizontally and then used a green dye, had those sit just a little bit proud to make it stand out more. So that's what I did on that door. Have some custom door pulls that I created as well. If you want to go over to the other side, you're going to notice a second door that I created, Purple Heart. I oriented the grain shaper origin tool I use for the inlays and engraving. Perfect, awesome, in conjunction with software known as Shaper Studio. Oriented the grain about 45 degrees to give it that little bit of better look from the light as it's going through there. It's a good theme verse that I need to go back to all the time of what I need to do, and that's abide. You find that in John 15. If we go into a few other things you'll see in that video, you're welcome to do that. But going back to the bed itself, what you'll see here, I'm going to keep narration to a minimum. I want you to compare. If you jump to that other video, tell me which style you like more, narration or seeing the build and the tools. And comments in the description help me know what to create for you guys. If there's future builds, things you'd like to see me install with the French cleats on the wall, leave a comment in the description. Like to say, hit that thumbs up if you find something useful in this program. Going back to the bed itself, what you'll find using a Fuji HVLP, so it's a special system that's able to put the atomize the finish that's going onto the bed, and it is highly resistant to all kinds of different materials. It's a pretty hard finish as well, so it will stand up. It looks really nice. And then you're going to find making the slats on the bed. I created that. Give you a little spoiler alert. You saw in the other video, if you watched that, I had made holes in the bedposts known as mortises, and then I was able to put the rails in there. I thought that would help prevent racking. Still could have racking with that, I noticed when I put it together. What that would notice, I think if I did that again, maybe if I did that a little bit deeper, then it would offer the opportunity to put some more permanent fasteners from the inside of the bed, really hold that down secure to, but the hardware, everything else should be good to go for a long, long time. Let's see, anything else about this? Oh, the couple, awesome chance to be able to help them out. It was, last 2 decades, every 2 to 3 years they were moving. So really hope this helps them be able to rest well, have a nice place to go back to at the end of a hard day. And with all that aside, like I said, I'll keep narration a little bit less in this video, a lot less in the one on the shop upgrade. And you guys leave me some comments what you think.